Shop tour. Let's take a look at Mach 1. Let's see what we're all about. Come on, let's check it out. If you're a student on day one, this is what it looks like. This is what you're gonna see. Welcome to Mach 1. You're gonna walk in this shop door right here and you're gonna enter the machine shop area. This area is where you're gonna make stuff and break stuff. You're gonna start with hand files and hacksaws, but you're gonna get in using all these machines. You're gonna learn how to do stuff for real, almost 100% of the time. You're gonna be hands-on building stuff at Mach 1, so that way you actually can have real skills when you're done, when you graduate. And by the way, we have employers interviewing students almost as soon as they enter the door. We take all these machines and we make them off level. That way the students have real world experience of leveling machines, PMing machines, making sure the machines are good and functional before they use them. What you see in the next area is Mechatronics 4 land. You're gonna see robots sitting here. We've got different brands of robots. We've got Fanuc, Kuka, and Kawasaki behind us over here. This is an automated cell right here on our floor. We bought it out of industry so that students could have real world experience here. Every single student will go through and replumb the whole cell. Why? Because it's real and it's fun. Small mechanical assemblies. If you want to learn how ball screws work, if you want to learn how gearboxes work, if you want real world experience on machinery, this right here, small mechanical assembly, you're going to rebuild that too. Let's keep rolling. Let's take a look in here. This is Mechatronics 2 land. This is where the hydraulics and pneumatics training happens. Every single student has their own designated equipment set and own designated board. You're going to spend time with your equipment here learning about all sorts of different valves and solenoids and connections, making systems work, but not forgetting how to troubleshoot. That's very important. What's really cool about Mach 1 is you're not going to share equipment. You're not going to watch and wait. You're going to do stuff. All day long, you have your equipment designated for you. No watching and waiting. It's not 30 students per class. It's 4 with your equipment. If we look at this area over here, we have Mechatronics 3 land where the stanchions are built. This right here is the electrical training setup. When you get into Mechatronics 3, you're gonna rebuild this whole machine right here. You rip out every single component. You're gonna redo every single wire, replace every single terminal block. You're also gonna cut out this panel right here so you can replace the heavy duty connectors on there. This project is the real deal. This is a full machine build. In Mechatronics 3, you do a full machine build in order to make sure that you have the experience. And when your employer asks, hey, can you do the job? You say, heck yeah, I did it at Mach 1. Something really sweet about the Mechatronics 3 land, each one of these guys has a PLC in it that loses its program somehow, and you got to reprogram it. This gives you the hands-on experience programming automation versus sitting in the classroom learning and thinking you know how to do it. Come here to Mach 1, you do it for real, and you get that raw experience. On day one, it's yours. You take it with you when you go. As we keep going down this hallway, we're going to find the funnest room of all. This is the classroom. In the classroom, you're going to learn theory. You're going to learn all the symbology, the safety, the terminology. And the best part about the classroom is we're going to get you out of here. We're going to get you out of the classroom because on the shop floor, you learn. On the shop floor, you actually build stuff. That's what we're all about at Mach 1. So if you're interested, smash that apply button. I want to see you.